Here are some of the most popular Python libraries for graph plotting, each with its own strengths and use cases. 1. Matplotlib. Foundation for many other libraries, the most widely used and versatile plotting library in Python, providing a comprehensive foundation for a wide range of plots. Highly customizable, offers granular control over plot elements, styles, and layouts, allowing for precise fine-tuning of visualizations. Extensive functionality, supports various plot types, including line plots, scatter plots, bar charts, histograms, pie charts, 3D plots, and more. Steeper learning curve. While powerful, it can have a steeper learning curve for beginners due to its extensive options and syntax. 2. Seaborn. Built on Matplotlib, built on top of Matplotlib, providing a higher level interface for creating aesthetically appealing statistical graphics. Focus on statistical data, excels at visualizing statistical relationships between variables, with built-in functions for common statistical plots like heat maps, violin plots, joint plots, and regression plots. Simplifies common tasks, simplifies many common visualization tasks, making it easier to create informative and visually appealing plots with less code. 3. Plotly. Interactive and web-based, generates interactive, web-based visualizations that can be embedded in web pages or Jupyter notebooks. Wide range of plot types, supports a diverse range of plot types, including line plots, scatter plots, bar charts, histograms, 3D plots, maps, and more. Interactive features, allows for zooming, panning, hovering over data points to reveal more information, and creating interactive dashboards. 4. Altair. Declarative syntax, employs a declarative syntax based on Vagalite, making it easier to create complex visualizations with concise code. Interactive and customizable, generates interactive visualizations that can be customized using a JSON-like syntax for fine-grained control. Well suited for exploratory analysis, encourages rapid exploration and experimentation with different visualizations. 5. Bokeh. Interactive web visualization, another library for creating interactive, web-based visualizations with a focus on web development and interactivity. Customizable, offers extensive customization options for plot elements, tools, and interactions. Large data sets, well suited for handling large or streaming data sets. Choosing the best library. The best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Customization and flexibility, Matplotlib offers the most customization and flexibility. Ease of use and statistical focus, Seaborn is excellent for statistical analysis and quick visualizations. Interactivity and web-based, Plotly and Bokeh are ideal for interactive web-based visualizations. Declarative syntax and exploration, Altair stands out for its declarative syntax and exploratory analysis. I recommend experimenting with a few libraries to see which one best suits your workflow and visualization style. You can also combine multiple libraries to leverage their unique strengths.